Hygiene and sanitation are often overlooked but vital aspects of emergency preparedness. Poor hygiene can lead to disease, infections, and even morale issues, making survival much harder. Imagine being in an extended grid-down scenario where access to clean water and proper waste disposal are non-existent. The risk of illnesses like diarrhea, respiratory infections, and skin diseases increase drastically. In today's video, we're going to explore practical tips to maintain hygiene and sanitation during emergencies, ensuring you and your family stay healthy and safe. Maintaining proper hygiene and sanitation is about more than just comfort, it's a survival necessity. In emergencies, poor sanitation often leads to the rapid spread of diseases, which can shut down an entire household. Take historical examples like post-disaster cholera outbreaks, where sanitation became the difference between life and death. Good hygiene practices such as hand washing and waste management help prevent these issues. Beyond physical health, staying clean boosts morale and preserves a sense of normalcy, which is invaluable during stressful situations. Stockpiling essential hygiene items should be a cornerstone of your prepping plan. Items like soap, hand sanitizer, and wet wipes are critical for keeping hands clean when water is scarce. Toothbrushes, toothpaste, and dental floss are equally important for maintaining oral health, which is often neglected during emergency scenarios. Anyone who has dealt with a toothache before knows just how painful they can be. This can cause disruptions to your sleep, which can lead to a lowered immune system, lack of focus, or even just irritability. Don't forget personal care items such as deodorant, razors, and menstrual hygiene products. They're essential for both comfort and cleanliness. Multi-purpose products like soap can save space and simplify your stockpile. And here's a tip many overlook. Stockpile extra socks and underwear. Keeping these items clean and rotated can prevent infections and rashes, especially when laundry isn't a daily option. When the toilet stops flushing, what's your plan? Waste management is one of the most overlooked aspects of emergency preparedness. For short-term solutions, you can use a bucket lined with trash bags and kitty litter to contain waste and control odor. You can also purchase a specialized toilet seat that fits securely on a 5-gallon bucket, making the setup more comfortable. For long-term prepping, digging cat holes or trenches is another viable method for safe waste disposal. Always seal waste in bags to prevent contamination and sanitize the area regularly. And don't forget trash management. Biodegradable bags can help minimize your impact. Clean water is the cornerstone of hygiene. To ensure you have enough for sanitation, start by purifying water through methods like boiling, filtration systems, or chemical tablets. Always have multiple methods available to adapt to different situations. Makeshift shower options like solar showers used for camping or garden sprayers can help you stay clean when plumbing is unavailable. Alternatively, baby wipes can serve as a quick and effective option when water is extremely limited. In low water scenarios, sponge baths using cloths are an efficient way to maintain cleanliness. Prioritize water use for hygiene needs and avoid wastage. Consider storing a separate supply of water specifically for cleaning and sanitation purposes, ensuring your drinking water remains uncontaminated. Remember, every drop counts in an emergency. Keeping your environment clean is just as important as personal hygiene. Stockpile cleaning supplies like bleach, disinfectant sprays, and antimicrobial cloths. Because bleach does have a relatively short shelf life, pool shock can be used to create a bleach solution for cleaning purposes. Disposable gloves and paper towels can make cleaning safer and more effective. Focus on high contact surfaces like door handles, toilet seats, countertops, and light switches. Cleaning these areas frequently helps prevent the spread of germs, especially in shared spaces. Even during a crisis, clean clothes are a necessity. Hand washing clothes using a bucket and plunger setup is effective and straightforward. Don't forget to stockpile laundry detergent to ensure you're prepared long term. For drying, setting up a simple clothesline can ensure your clothing dry efficiently, even in tight spaces. Stockpiling no-rinse detergents can simplify the process even further. Quick-dry antimicrobial towels are lifesavers when drying conditions are less than ideal, and don't underestimate the importance of clean socks and underwear. These small items are critical to avoid skin infection and maintain comfort. Your skin is your first line of defense against infection, so protecting it should be a priority. Stockpile antibacterial ointments, moisturizers, and sunscreen to address common issues like cuts, dryness, and sunburn. Keep nails trimmed to reduce the buildup of dirt and bacteria, and store a few extra nail clippers in your stockpile to ensure everyone in your household has access to their own. Always address cuts and scrapes immediately to prevent infections. Proper skin care is essential, especially when hygiene routines are limited. Caring for a sick family member during an emergency requires extra precautions. Consider stocking painter's plastic and tape to create a quarantine zone, minimizing the spread of illness within your household. Stock masks, gloves, and hand sanitizers to protect caregivers. Keep basic medications like fever reducers and electrolyte solutions on hand. If possible, consider stocking emergency antibiotics like those available from Jace Medical for treating infections during prolonged emergencies. If someone in your household becomes ill, isolate them from others to reduce the risk of spreading the sickness. Maintain hygiene for both the caregiver and the patient to protect everyone's health. Staying clean isn't just about health, it's also about mental well-being. Simple actions like brushing your teeth or washing your face can provide comfort and a sense of routine. Feeling clean reduces stress and prevents the discomfort of being dirty and smelly. Hygiene routines can also help maintain dignity and self-worth, which are critical for morale. During prolonged emergencies, maintaining hygiene routines can reduce stress and provide a sense of control and normalcy in chaotic situations. Encourage your family members to establish hygiene rituals. These small actions can go a long way in boosting spirits and maintaining cohesion during tough times. Hygiene and sanitation are non-negotiable when it comes to emergency preparedness. Start building your hygiene kit today and include everything we discussed. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are available in the description to help you get started on your hygiene and sanitation stockpile. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with others. Join the Texan Prepper community by hitting that subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. Keep an eye out every week for another video on emergency preparedness. Stay safe, keep prepping, and I'll see you on the next one.